Doesn't it drive you crazy when you see something advertised for a terrific price and then you find you can't get it for anywhere near that? Well, you may have seen ads for one company that offer incredible prices for corrective laser eye surgery. They operate in more than 35 states. In an Inside Edition hidden camera investigation, Matt Mahar tried to get that great deal.
Look right at that light.
It's the most popular elective surgical procedure in the country. Laser eye surgery, called LASIK, can give patients 20/20 vision. But for years, many Americans considered LASIK just too expensive. But recently, we found one company advertising LASIK for $499 an eye in Boston, $299 in Kansas City, and an eye-popping $199 in Denver. That company, the Florida-based LASIK Vision Institute, or LVI, calls itself the largest LASIK provider in the world. It seems like laser eye surgery is finally affordable. Or is it?
One Sunday I was going through the paper and I saw the ad for $299.
When 50-year-old Carla Diefendorfer and her husband Earl of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania saw this ad, they thought Carla could finally get rid of the glasses she'd worn since first grade.
You went in there because of the $299 an eye, didn't you?
Yes, exactly.
But in the blink of an eye, the price climbed to more than $700 per eye.
This is a bait and switch.
Dr. Stephen Vail is a Pennsylvania eye surgeon who worked for LVI for 2 years. He says almost no one got their advertised deal.
The entire time that you were there, how many people actually got LASIK surgery for $299 an eye?
One.
One. And you were there 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to find out if we could get LVI's advertised deal, so I went to the company's surgery center in suburban Washington, D.C.
Hi.
Accompanied by a producer with a hidden camera. This person, called a patient counselor, examined my eyes and then told me the price I would have to pay.
It's not $299. In your case, you're looking at $999 an eye.
$999?
Mm-hmm. And that covers the exam, surgery, all of the follow-ups.
It seems my eyesight is just not good enough to get that $299 price.
What's wrong with my eyes that they go from $299 to...
These are based on the prescription.
Yeah.
It starts at $299, goes up to $17.
According to LVI's price sheet, to qualify for the company's $299 price, a person would already have to have extremely good vision, says Dr. Roy Rubenfeld, a spokesman for the American Academy of Ophthalmology.
Most people who have vision this good probably wouldn't be willing to undergo a surgical procedure to make it any better.
This isn't the first time LVI's advertising has been questioned. Last year, the Federal Trade Commission alleged that the company made false and unsubstantiated claims when advertising its services. Without admitting any wrongdoing, LVI agreed to change some of its ads. But it's not just the company's advertising that's being called into question.
They said it was a mobile unit.
Take a look at this. It's one of 3 tractor trailers owned by LVI. The trucks travel around the country and set up in parking lots where the surgery is performed. We found this one outside a hotel in Newport News, Virginia. Dr. Vail says transporting the delicate laser in a truck could affect the way it's calibrated.
If the laser's bouncing around, moving from city to city on a truck, I do not think that is a very good way of making sure that you're going to get a quality laser treatment.
Dr. Vail says he eventually refused to do surgeries in the truck. Carla Diefendorfer had her surgery inside one of these trucks. It was parked next to this busy Pennsylvania highway with traffic whizzing by.
You can feel the vibration when you're sitting in the trailer.
Carla says she doesn't know if having her procedure in the truck had anything to do with it, but the surgery left her with a wrinkled cornea and nearly blind in her left eye. She says it's now almost impossible for her to do her job as a data entry operator.
I came out with my life totally changed.
LVI declined to comment for our report. Recently, the company added fine print to their ads, which says 5 to 7% of patients qualify for the advertised price, and that the average price per eye is $850. But Florida's Attorney General, Charlie Crist, says that's just not good enough.
I think you're being obviously deceptive when you have this kind of large print and the fine print is such that it's almost impossible to read. I think that's unreasonable by the company.
In addition, Chris says LVI has injured several patients in Florida, and he's opened an investigation into the way the company does business.
Our investigation leads us to believe that probably they are more profit-driven than care-driven.
Carla welcomes the news of the investigation, but says for her, it's too late.
I'd give anything to see clearly again. I'd wear my glasses for the rest of my life if I could see like I did.
In published reports, LASIK Vision Institute has said it offers excellent care and that its trucks are safe and help keep costs low. LVI has also defended its advertising as truthful. And after months of wrangling with LVI, Carla Diefendorfer contacted the Pennsylvania Attorney General's office, which was able to get her money back.